By virtue of my authority as Vice-Chancellor, and on behalf of Bath Spa University and its community, it's my great pleasure to invite you formally to take up the office of the Chancellor of this institution. Do you wish to accept this invitation?
I do.
Thank goodness.
I stand here on this amazing day in one of the UK's most picturesque campuses, truly humbled and honoured to be the next Chancellor of Bath Spa University. I am here because of one reason, and that is because of the transformative and socially uplifting power of education. It's because of all of you that newcomers like myself are allowed to even make an impact. And make an impact is something I hope to do as I help BSU go global, make crucial connections to universities in Asia and elsewhere to help develop BSU's creative culture and enterprise, its higher education, learning and research to go above and beyond the great strides it's already achieved today. Thank you once again for allowing me to be here and to be part of your remarkable institution. #BathSpa proud.